होइन बा कुन रेडियोमा आउँछ हो त्यस्तो? अब यो हाम्रो नाति केटालाई अझै थाहा रहेनछ। त्यही रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्जमा आउँछ नि। ल ल बजाइहाल त।
रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्ज, सबैभन्दा पृथक, सबैभन्दा बेस्ट।
सुनबल नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखाको सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी तथा अभिभावक ज्यूहरूलाई अनुरोध।
विश्वव्यापी महामारी कोभिड-19 को कारण सम्पूर्ण विद्यालय र अन्य क्षेत्रमा बन्दाबन्दी भई लामो समयसम्म बाल बालिकाको पठन पाठन ठप्प रहेको अवस्थामा बाल बालिकाको सिकाइलाई निरन्तरता दिन सुनवल नगरपालिका र रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्ज तथा रेडियो सुनवल 90.7 मेगाहर्ज को संयुक्त सहकार्यमा यही असार 4 गते बिहिबारबाट सुनौल पाठशाला कार्यक्रम निम्न तालिका बमोजिम एफएम कक्षा सञ्चालन भइरहेको हुनाले सम्पूर्ण अभिभावक ज्यूहरूलाई आफ्ना बाल बालिकाहरूलाई उक्त समयमा सहभागी गराइदिन हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछौं।
रेडियो सुनबलमा पढाइ हुने समय कक्षा 3 को बिहान 9:30 देखि 10 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 4 को बिहान 10:05 देखि 10:40 सम्म, कक्षा 5 को बिहान 11:05 देखि 11:45 सम्म, कक्षा 6 को मध्याह्न 12:10 देखि 12:55 सम्म र कक्षा 1 को दिउँसो 1:10 देखि 1:40 सम्म।
त्यस्तै रेडियो सन्देशमा कक्षा सञ्चालन हुने समय कक्षा 2 को बिहान 9:15 देखि 9:30 सम्म, कक्षा 10 को दिउँसो 2:10 देखि 2:55 सम्म, कक्षा 9 को दिउँसो 3:10 देखि 4 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 8 को दिउँसो 4:10 देखि 5 बजेसम्म र कक्षा 7 को साँझ 5:10 देखि 6 बजेसम्म।
अनुरोधक सुनवल नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखा।
Good morning, students of class 2. Welcome in program of Sunol Pathshala Radio Sandesh 89.8 MHz. First of all, I would like to say good morning all. It's me, Chandrakant Pandey, representing my school Baba Bardagoria Basic Level, Sunol, Karawani. I am really thankful to Sunol Municipality Education Department for providing me this opportunity to be the part of this program. We are passing a bad situation because of corona disease. I hope it will help to learn for these children. Dear students, today we are going to review when we have already read in grade 1. We read grammar. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, हामीले कक्षा 1 मा पढेका कुराहरू मैले यहाँ रिभाइज गर्न गइरहेको छु, दोहोर्याउन गइरहेको छु। हामी कक्षा 1 मा सिकिसकेका छौं, तर लामो समयमा हामीले बिर्सन सक्छौं। ती कुरालाई पहिला मेमोरीमा नल्याइकन नयाँ कुरा सिक्न गाह्रो हुने भएको हुँदा मैले तपाईहरुलाई कक्षा 1 कै दोहोर्याउन गइरहेको छु। Now listen a song which are related about today's chapter. Starting, I start with song. Let's revise our grade 1. Due to long holidays we have forgotten. Let's revise what we have done. Due to long holidays we have forgotten. Let's revise our grade 1. Due to long holidays, we have forgotten. Let's revise what we had done. Due to long holidays, we have forgotten. Dear students, now here are some difficult words. Forgotten. What is meant by forgotten? Forgotten means elapsed or not remembered. Not remembered. Forgotten means elapsed or not remembered. And other one, revise. What is revise? Revise means redo. R-E-D-O. Redo. Check for understanding. Redo. And grade. Grade means class or rank. Grade means class or rank. Long. Long means lengthy. Lengthy. On. On. O-N-E. On. Single. On. Single. So, these, you know these difficult words and you remember this chant. Again, listen this chant. Let's revise our grade 1. Due to long holidays, we have forgotten. Let's revise what we had done. Due to long holiday, we have forgotten. Let's revise our grade 1. Due to long holidays, we have forgotten. Let's revise what we had done. Due to long holidays, we have forgotten. Now, dear students, now we should revise grade 1. This chant say, we should revise grade 1. And other, it was a long holidays after exam. You have got long holidays after exam. So, it was a long holidays after exam. We have forgotten the things of grade 1. Yeah, we have forgotten the things of grade 1. We have to revise what we had done in grade 1. We have forgotten because of long holidays. So, dear students, now I am going to revise sentence using am, is, are. Am, is, are. These words we use in present tense sentence. Am, is, are. First of all, where do we use am, or where do we use is, and where do we use are? We had already read this grade 1. Dear student, try to remember. Where do we use am? Yeah? Try to say please. Yeah, correct. We use am where use I pronouns. We use am where use I pronouns. Am is used with I. Am is used with I. Example, I am a doctor. I am a doctor. Here is used pronoun I. So, here is used am. I am a doctor. Now, you also make a sentence, please, using am, please group A. Yeah, first of all, turn group A, say you one like this questions using am. Yeah. I am a student. Correct. Answer. Thank you. And other groups, like other groups on please. Group B. Yeah. Group B, please. Try to make a sentence I am a good boy. Correct. Good answer. I am a good boy. Yeah. And group C, who can make other sentence, please? Who says? Think in your mind and say you, please. Group C. Yeah. Try again. New. I am eating rice. Good. Good answer. Remember, am is used with I. Am is used with I. Good. Yes, everybody remember now. Now, we are going to learn about is. We are going to learn about is. Where do we use is? Where do we use is? It is also auxiliary verb. It is also auxiliary verb. We use is. We use is where are singular noun and pronoun. Singular noun and pronoun. Singular noun means Ram, Hari, Sita, Mohan, a monkey, a cow, like this singular noun. And the pronoun means he, she, it, this, that. So, is used with he, she, it, this, that. Example, Rupa is a teacher. Rupa is a teacher. Or she is a teacher. She is a teacher. Rupa is name. She also pronoun. Rupa noun and she pronoun. Rupa singular noun, she singular pronoun used with is. Now, dear students, make a sentence using is and say. Group A. First of all, Group A, say you, yeah. Make a sentence one using is. That is a pen. Good. Correct answer. You gave correct answer. Thank you. That is a pen. Good sentence. That is used with that. Yes. And other students give me more. Group B. Yeah, Group B, say you. Again, she is a girl. Group B, give answer. Yeah, she is a girl. Good, yes. You are right. And Group C, please give me one sentence. Try to. Everybody try again. Yeah. Yes, it is a cow. Good. Correct. It is a cow. Students, I hope you will be make sentence. And students, make more sentence like using is. This is my school. Correct. This is my school. This is my father. This is my mother. This is mango. This is a mango. That is a buffalo. Like this is. We should be used is there. Yes, everybody, students, you know am and is where is used. Now, students, where do we use are? Where do we use are? अब हामीले आर लाई कहाँ कसरी प्रयोग गर्ने? We use are where is plural nouns and pronouns. Plural nouns means Ram, Gopal and Hari. All groups we necessary to say that means plural nouns. And plural pronouns means we, they, you, those, these. These are plural pronouns. Such as there are 4 cows. 4 cows plural. So we should be used are. There are 4 cows. Another example, the birds are flying in the sky. The birds are flying in the sky. You know, the birds plural words. So we should be used here are. The birds are flying in the sky. Now, say you new sentence, please. Yes. Now in this time, say you group C. Yeah. Say you. Yeah. Rita, Sita, and Gita are girls. Correct. Sita, Rita, and Gita are girls. Correct. They are good friend. Correct. They are good friend. Other please. Yeah, group B. Now say you group B. Yeah, try. Again, try. Who can say please? Yes. Everybody, students, I hope you will be right now there. They are lovers. They are lovers. Yes, correct. Good answer. Group A. Now turn off group A. Make a sentence using are. We are all students. Correct answer. Excellent. This sentence also excellent. Yes, we are all students. We are all students. You are a teacher. Exactly. You are a teacher. Good. You know. Maybe you know. We are going to practice. How do we know? We are going to practice. How do we know? Now fill in the blanks with is, am, are. Where is necessary, you can use. What is available to use here? Is, am, are. Option is, am, are. Which is available to use here? Fill in the blanks. Now listen to me, everybody, students. Carefully listen. That my school. Again listen. that dot dot my school. Choice is MR. Which is available? Is or M or R? Which is available? Say you? Yes, that is my school. Correct. That is my school. And other, there dot dot 5 teachers. What is available to use here? Is M R. There dot dot 5 teachers. Student, please write in your copy and say me please. There dot dot 5 teachers. There dot dot 5 teachers. Yes, there are 5 teachers. Correct answer. There are 5 teachers. Correct answer. You know, yes, good students. Correct answer. Yeah, there are 5 teachers. You remember in your mind. Correct. Yes. Other questions. I dot dot a student. I dot dot a student. Find out, everybody. Find out. I dot dot student. Yes. I am a student. Good. I am a student. Good. Good. And other, that dot dot a pen. That dot dot a pen. Fill in the gaps. Yeah. That dot dot a pen. Is MR. Which one? Yes. That is a pen. Correct. Is. That is a pen. Correct answer is. Is. That is a pen. Now, there dot dot 4 cows. There dot dot 4 cows. There are 4 cows. Correct. There are 4 cows. Are. There are. Answer are. And number 3, I dot dot a doctor. I dot dot a doctor. Am. Yes, I am a doctor. Correct. I am a doctor. Number 4, you dot dot a farmer. Now, students, say you dot dot a farmer. Which is available? What is available? Please say you me is MR. What is available? You are a farmer. Are. Correct. They dot dot lawyers. They dot dot lawyers. They are lawyers. Correct. They are lawyers. Are. The birds dot dot flying in the sky. The birds dot dot flying in the sky. Say you M is R. Which one? The birds are flying in the sky. Yeah, here are plural words. Birds. Their birds are flying in the sky. And Ram, Gopal and Hari dot dot good friends. Ram, Gopal and Hari dot dot good friends. Ram, Gopal and Hari are. Correct. Are good friends. Ram, Gopal and Hari are good friends. Correct answer. Rupa dot dot a teacher. Rupa dot dot a teacher. What is necessary here? Rupa is a teacher. Rupa is a teacher. Correct. Udit a good singer. Udit a good singer. Udit is a good singer. Is. Udit is a good singer. Kathmandu the capital of Nepal. Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. Correct. Kathmandu is the capital of the Nepal. Now, everybody, students, let us use has or have. Let's use has or have. Like this, am, is, are, also same, we should be use has or have. Let us use has or have. Where necessary to use has and where is necessary to use have. We already read about grade 1. We had already read about grade 1 this sentence. So, I review in this time again. I a pen. Now, dear students, I a pen. You know which word use has or have? Please tell me has or have. I have a pen. Good. I have a pen. It red color. In which word, please? Say you me. It has red color. Correct. It has red color. It has red color. Good. We had already read about grade 1. So, please remember in your mind, please. You a book. Yes, which? In which word? Please tell me. Yeah. Try to again. You a book. Yes, you have a book. You have a book. Now, it new cover. It new cover. It has new cover. Has. It has new cover. He a bag. He a bag. Students, try to say please. He a bag. He has a bag. Good. He has a bag. Now, it four pockets. It four pockets. It has 4 pockets. Yeah, it has 4 pockets. Now, she a doll. She a doll. She has a doll. She has a doll. It a hat. It a hat. It has a hat. It has a hat. The elephant a short tail. The elephant has a short tail. Has. The elephant has a short tail. And it two tongues. It two tusks. Please, has or have? Which one? It has, correct. It has two tusks. It has two tusks. Yes. Dear students, we know about today. Today we know about am, is, are, has, have, where should be used. We know. Students, please write you in write exercise grammar 2 in use, page number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 page number given their exercise A, B. There are many exercise there, and you try to write now there and show your teacher. Okay, goodbye all our students. See you again. Goodbye. See you later.
रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्ज, सबैभन्दा पृथक, सबैभन्दा बेस।
सर्वसाधारणका लागि जनचेतनामूलक सन्देश।
हाल विश्वभरि नै आक्रान्त बनाइरहेको कोरोना भाइरस तथा कोभिड-19 को असर नेपालमा पनि बढ्दो क्रम रहेकोले सम्पूर्ण आम नगरवासीहरूमा कोरोना भाइरसबाट बच्नका निम्ति भीडभाड नगरौं, सन्तुलित खाना खाऊ, मास्कको प्रयोग नियमित रूपमा गरौं, साबुन पानीले नियमित रूपमा हात धुने बानी बसालौं, हाच्छिउँ गर्दा कुइनोले नाक मुख छोप्ने बानी बसालौं, फ्लू जस्ता लक्षण देखिएमा तुरुन्तै नजिकको स्वास्थ्य चौकीमा सम्पर्क राख्नु हुन अनुरोध गर्दछौं। साथै यो रोगले महिला बालबालिका तथा वृद्ध वृद्धाहरूमा बढी असर पार्ने हुँदा वैदेशिक रोजगार वा भारतबाट घरमा आउने क्रममा सिधै घर परिवारसित घुलमिल नगरी नगरपालिकाले स्थापना गरेको क्वारेन्टाइनहरूमा नियम अनुसार बसी सहयोग गरिदिनु हुन हार्दिक अपील गर्दछौं। सबै सचेत बनौं, आफू बाँचौं, अरूलाई पनि बचाऊ।
रम्भा कुँवर नगर उपप्रमुख एवं न्यायिक समिति